Today I will talk about cancer cells and their blood supply. What do cancer cells use as food? And there are those things which if you make a part of your diet, you can prevent cancer and you may or may not know about it. Cancer cells increase their numbers by eating sugar. And what are the things that trigger cancer cells in the body? Today I will share with you. Because if you know these things, then you can easily stop its growth and avoid a dangerous disease like cancer. Among these, various chemicals, stress, radiation, these things directly target the mitochondria of a normal cell first. Mitochondria get damaged. Now what is mitochondria? This is the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria present in the cells of our body produce energy. Energy production takes place in the mitochondria and this energy is then used in various functions of the body. Now, due to damage to mitochondria, the body goes into survival mode. The process of normal energy production now changes. Normal metabolism transforms into compensatory metabolism at this stage. That means, in simple words, now the body goes into the mode of producing energy through fermentation to compensate for the damage. Whereas this was not happening earlier. Earlier, cells were producing energy using oxygen instead of fermentation. Now the mode of energy production has changed and sugar is used in this fermentation. Sugar is broken down as a fuel source. Then after that there is an amino acid called glutamine. Both this glutamine and sugar are used by cancer cells as a fuel source. The third fuel source is the body's ketones. Cancer cells cannot survive on ketones. And ketones are formed when you go on a low carbohydrate diet, cut down on sugar. Ketones are also produced from the body's fat cells. So when you lose fat, you lose weight. Body fat is used as a fuel source because burning fat produces ketones. So normal cells survive on ketones. But cancer cells and tumors need fermentation to survive. So what to do with glutamine now? Glutamine is also a fuel source and you can find it in many food items. Glutamine is present in vegetables, pulses, eggs, meat, dairy, everything. Then there is nothing left to eat. So a recent research has been done on keto diet, that how keto diet helps in preventing the absorption of glutamine in the cells. I will also put the link to this research below this video. So there are a few things that can reduce glutamine absorption. Can't eliminate it completely, but can reduce it. Green tea is one. Green tea contains phytochemicals that inhibit glutamine absorption. Green peppers, capsicum, plus intermittent fasting. So to stop cancer cells, you have to understand cancer, and the real issue is damaged mitochondria and fermentation and managing these fuel sources. Because you have to prevent the events that trigger cancer from happening. That means chemicals have to be avoided. Healthy eating, organic eating, keeping stress levels down, staying away from radiation, combined with a healthy ketogenic diet plus intermittent fasting. And use more leafy vegetables in food. Why that? There is a word called angiogenesis. In this, genesis means creation of something new, the formation of something new, the formation of new blood vessels. So cancer cells need their new blood supply. They develop a new blood supply on their own. That's why some chemotherapy treatments attack this blood supply and prevent the spread of cancer because it can't survive on the body's own blood supply. And vegetables, especially all the leaves, contain some natural compounds called phytonutrients. These stop the formation of these new blood vessels, prevents tumor formation. So if you cut down on sugar and include more leafy vegetables in your daily diet, you will be able to stop the food and blood supply to cancer cells, and you will also be saved from many problems. Because the worst case scenario would be that you find out that you have cancer and then you try to reverse it and then start researching on it. Whereas it is very easy to avoid it. I hope this information proves beneficial for you. See you in the next video. Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon. If you like the video, please like and share.